What's going on, guys? Let's take a look at AIG. One of you guys from the Discord requested that I kind of do a little bit of a breakdown on this. Talk to me about this stock. So what do we got here? We got a big breakout, right? We got this humongous gap up. Let me see here. I was actually looking at the stock earlier. I think it was a week or two ago. But anyways, we got this humongous gap up. So we gapped up from 48.79 all the way up here to this $50, right? So what are we looking at here? This is our first close above the 50-day moving average. Generally very, very bullish. However, we will come down here and test this gap and probably fill it. So if we were looking to buy this on a bounce, we need to get this thing back around $48, $49. Hopefully, if it does back test and start to fill this gap, we can buy it off the bounce of the 50-day moving average. Right now, that currently sits at 48.89. But going forward, what are we looking for? If we get a day 2, day 3 continuation on this stock, what we're looking for is to confirm 51.37. Let's call it 51.50 for the sake of the video. That's going to take out this top wick here. That's going to confirm a day 2 run on this big gap. And then potentially we have room to run to 53. Obviously, any close over 53 can send us into this $57 channel. I don't think that this is going to come 1-2 days in a row. I think that if we do get a little bit of a move up here, we're going to start to trend sideways, possibly come down, test this gap. This could potentially be a loading zone. You can see here going back all the way to June, we did not really do nothing, traded in a very, very tight range. So the longer we trade in a tight range means that the more support and stability we're going to have for the future if we do want to come down. You can see this area here between 48 and 50 was acting as a level of resistance. Now that we gapped up, we want to see, what do we do? Do we continue to tread higher? And then when we come back down, does this old resistance act as new support? I'm going to guarantee that it does. So if I could just, make a little drawing here, I think we do something like this. Okay. And then something like that. So do we continue to ride higher, come back down, fill this gap, test this level of resistance, turn it into support, and then start making this next leg higher? So if you're looking for a quick play, what you're looking for here is a confirmation of 51.50. If we get a confirmation of 51.50, see if you can squeeze 1, 2, 2.5 points out of it for a quick trade. Okay, just talking cash flow. If we want to hold this stock a little bit longer term, we're going to want to let it make its move up, and then we're going to want to let it come back down, fill this gap. And as we bounce off this $48 to $50 area here, which is a 50-day moving average, this is going to be our loading zone. Okay, so as soon as we confirm that this is going to be new support here, this is where we're going to want to load, because we're going to want to be a part of this move back higher here through 51, 52, 53, and then all the way up here into 57. Any longer term than that, I really, don't want to get too crazy. I mean, we can take a look at the weekly. Okay, you can see the little trend lines here. We can take a look at the weekly here. Weekly hard support is going to be down here at 41. Anything below 41 could get hit to 39 and 27. Don't really expect that, as we've been climbing higher ever since we came off lows of $16.07 back here in April. Stock has been looking pretty good. What is the big level if we're going to start a new leg higher? That level is going to be $58, $60. Okay. As soon as we get over $58 to $60, that's when we're going to really start the big leg. So if you're really looking to load, that loading zone is anywhere from $47 to $50, anywhere. I know that's kind of a wide spread, but when you're dealing with something where you want to swing it maybe 6 months, maybe 12 months, for the next leg higher, that $1, $2 is really not going to make a difference in the long run. If you're intraday trading, you're looking for a point move here, 2 points there, 3 points here, then every penny matters. And we're going to really want to either buy it on the continuation over the 51.50 area into the 53, or we're really going to want to get it back down around that, this, anywhere between this $48 and $50 area. You can see here, it's going to act as good support here. And then we're going to have a little bit of mini support here. So if we do lose this $50 area, $50 area, expect us to come back down into the 48.49. And I think that should be pretty good. Guys, if you did like this video, please leave me a thumbs up, drop me a comment, let me know what you think about AIG. Also subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to get to 400 subscribers before the end of the month, so it would help me out tremendously. Also, if you guys want to be a part of the Discord, I kind of do these breakdowns, these technical analysis videos, as well as things that I'm watching intraday, kind of throw out some levels that I think would be good areas of opportunity for a trade. That link is going to be down in the description box below, and I will catch you guys all on the next video.